What's up guys, today I'm gonna reset the password of the Motorola G Stylus 2023. Okay, so that's the Motorola Moto G Stylus. So what you have to do is that you have to press and hold the volume down and the power key, okay, like this. You have to press and hold the two. It will take a while, okay, until this happens, okay, and then you have to press the volume down key until you see the recovery mode. Then you have to press the power key. Okay, now it's the boot mode in power, in the recovery mode. Okay,
Power.
now you have to press power key.
Okay.
Okay, now here you have the no command window. What you have to do is that you have to press and hold the power key and then volume up. Okay, now it's the recovery mode here. Now you have to press the volume down and go until there is the wipe data and factory reset, and press the power key to go into it. Okay, and the volume down again to go into the factory data reset and the power key. Here it is the wiping data and formatting data, everything. Okay, now you have to reboot it. Okay, like this. So here's that. Okay, hi there, you have to start. Okay, now we have to connect to mobile network. I will skip it. Now it's searching for the Wi-Fi network. So it has a FRP Google account located here. Okay, it is locked here. So that's why you have to unlock it by going to the video we have just here. Okay, in the I button I will take you there. Okay, for that thing it is until now. Okay, thank you so much.